guys, it's Zinnia. I'm so excited that I have an announcement to make today. I've teamed up Louis Creation to run a giveaway in this episode. I'll ask 2 questions, and all you have to do is to watch this video until the end and put your answer in the comment below. Listen up. The question is, how many pen holders I've used in this video? And what are their names? The winner will get a set of these beautiful 2-in-1 pen holders from Louis Creations. They come with this special case which is adjustable to accommodate any length of pens with maximum protection for traveling. If you don't want to miss out, stick around to the end of the video. Okay, let's get back to our Learn and Grow Script by Word series. Today, I'll show you how to write capital D by writing the word delicious. You will also learn a new lowercase c. Well, let's get started. We will first go through the letters individually, but if you already knew how to write them, you can fast forward to the next part where I'll show you how to join the letters together. Capital D. Many of the beginners found this letter difficult to write, and I did too when I was a beginner. So here I am to give you some tips that would make it easier for you to get the shape of the letter right. There are a few things to look at for a good proportion D. Number 1. The body of the letter takes only 1/3 of the entire letter. Number 2. The shades here needs to be parallel to each other, and so do the curves. Number 3. The way this stroke curves down is exactly the same way it curves up. Finally, he should form a shape of a novel. Righto, here are some tips for how you write it. Take one of the slant as a guideline, and draw a line on the baseline with 2/3 of the line on the left to the slant, and 1/3 on the right like this. Then draw 2 parallel lines from the baseline to the second ascender. And then mark the center of the line, which is where the lines will cross when you write. Now, follow the red lines and mark to write the D, and you should be able to get a nice D. Well, let's do the lowercase c. Start with the entrance stroke, and the second stroke is like a half of a novel. Finish with a round dot here. Now, I will quickly write the rest of the letters in delicious, which we have already gone through in my previous episodes. You can go back to watch them in more details if you want. Now I'll show you how to connect each letter together. I deliberately did not fill up the ink so you can see more clearly on how each stroke is executed. One more time with the leaf fully loaded, and then I will show you how I write delicious in my style. And this time I'll write it with a straight pen holder. That's it for capital D and lowercase c. In next video, we'll learn capital E with the word exclusive, and 2 more new lowercases, which are X and Q. So did you see how many pen holders I've used in this video? And what are their names? Put your answer down in the comment below if you want to win a set of Lewis Creations pen holders. This giveaway is open to anyone in any countries. Make sure you are subscribed with your notifications on. Winner will be announced in the next video. Thanks so much for watching and good luck guys!